Welcome to the Whittlesea Tech School Maker Faire.
We hope you enjoy this little video that we helped film.
Today is the Whittlesea Tech School Maker Faire, which is a great opportunity for primary schools to come and engage with science and engineering and maths and all of those STEAM activities in a really hands-on and approachable way, and actually talk to high school students and other groups who are actually doing it and are in the field.
Students are sort of roaming from space to space and engaging in different activities and spending a period of time experimenting and testing and then moving on to the next space.
I think it's really about the creativity aspect and the problem solving.
It kind of shows you how you can enhance your creativity with everyday items.
I've got some secondary students here who are helping to run activities for the younger students. And for them, they get so much out of an experience like this. Things like communication skills and leadership and organisation that allow them to sort of create a fun experience for these younger students.
We're only a couple of years older than these kids, but we're having to teach them, and it kind of teaches that leadership. It's kind of cool to see how they work on their problem solving.
My favourite exhibit was the Hot Wheels, because it was like really cool how something that's sold in a toy shop can be so scientific.
The same aspects as real life cars, like the downforce, and you got like acceleration stuff and like the aerodynamics aspects of that. So students here, I guess, would have been able to learn about the physics of cars.
The primary school kids are loving the different activities we're doing. So we're going from physics with matchbox cars to chromatography with t-shirts, or we've got some robotics and programming upstairs as well. Just all those different activities just shows the range of stuff that can happen at high school.
One of the best ways to learn is to teach someone what you're learning, so then you have a more understanding of what you're actually doing. So it's kind of like a two-way thing. You're helping yourself and you're helping others.
Just being able to be taught by those secondary students was quite a privilege to me.
It's the opening up of the students' minds to other ideas. It's taking them out of that bubble that they have in their school and then getting them to think outside of that and seeing what opportunities are out there for them.
We've got groups from lots of different organisations coming here, and it's been really good to see different groups talk to each other. So like during the breaks, you see people chatting and it's like, oh yeah, we could run this program together, and building that network of builders and makers. And that's not just for us, but for students as well. If they have a really great idea, they kind of know how to go about turning it into something and who to go to for that kind of support.
This experience has exposed me to brand new technologies I've never seen before.
I guess I was kind of inspired by you take everyday items and you turn them into something so cool that's related to science.